to MetaMask. So after you open up now your MetaMask app like this now, go ahead and search for the coin you want to receive from Binance. So for me, let's say I want to receive USDT from my Binance. So tap on this USD. After you tap on the USD, now go ahead and tap on this receive button. So from this receive button, now go ahead and copy the address of the USD. After you copy the address, now go back to your Binance. After you open the Binance lab like this, now go to assets. After you go to asset, now go to this deposit, or just go to withdrawal. Withdraw. After you tap on this withdraw, now just go ahead and tap on this withdraw again. So from this option now, go ahead and search for USDT. Here is it now. So from this option now, go ahead and search send via crypto. So now paste in the address that you copy from your MetaMask. In this option now, go and select the network, that's Ethereum network. Here is it. After you select the network, from this option now, go and specify the amount you want to send. The minimum amount is $18, 18 USD. So go ahead and send like 20 USD. If I tap on this withdraw button, now the money will be sent into my MetaMask account. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.